This vehicle features a dedicated two-seat design with a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour after actual tuning. It has a range of up to 80 kilometers on a full charge and can easily handle 15% incline, making it suitable for both commuting to the stadium and short-distance travel. First, let's look at the intelligent features inside the car. It is equipped with a 10.1-inch multimedia screen and also has a reversing camera and a reversing buzzer, which maximizes parking safety. Dual wireless charging panels and one-button start mean you don't need to look for cables to charge your phone or start the car, making it extremely convenient. Traditional TFT display screen, electromagnetic parking switch, and light control buttons are also all included with clear and easy-to-use operation logic. The ride experience is also exceptional, with high-density foam seats wrapped in PVC leather that are soft and durable. Diamond-patterned rubber flooring that is stain-resistant and easy to clean. Roof racks and power audio systems that combine practicality and leisure. And a black rear golf bag cover, sand bottle, and golf cleaning tools that make storing and maintaining your golf equipment a breeze. Looking at the chassis and powertrain, the injection-molded bumper offers strong impact resistance. The double wishbone independent front suspension is paired with cylindrical hydraulic shock absorbers. hydraulic dual circuit 4-wheel disc brakes plus electronic parking brake ensure stable braking and safe parking. The 48-volt 5 kilowatts kVs motor is directly connected to the 16.2 speed ratio rear axle. And with the supported 3508 electronic control, the power output is smooth and without jerking, making starting and steering silky smooth. The power source is a 105-hour high-capacity lithium battery paired with a 220 volts to 48 volts to 5V smart car charger, which can fully charge the battery in 8 hours and provide a range of 80 kilometers on a full charge, completely eliminating range anxiety. Next, let's look at the dynamic performance. When driving in a straight line, the car is stable and smooth without any jerking. The minimum turning radius is less than or equal to 3.5 meters, and it can also nimbly navigate narrow golf fairways without any jamming. Whether you're viewing the vehicle's handling agility from a third-person perspective or experiencing the driving feel from a first-person perspective, you can feel its steering precision, making it easy for even beginners to drive. Sloping sections are a test, but it can easily overcome the maximum gradient of 15%, with ample power and no sluggishness when going uphill. When going downhill, the electronic parking brake automatically intervenes, firmly locking the vehicle body. And with a braking distance of 3.5 million, driving safety is maximized.